Using an Apple gift card for DoorDash is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, make sure you have an Apple gift card with a sufficient balance to cover the cost of your DoorDash order, including any taxes and delivery fees. First, open the DoorDash app on your device and select the restaurant you would like to order from. Browse the menu and add the items you want to your cart. When you are ready to check out, tap the checkout button and enter your delivery address and other required information. Next, you will need to add a payment method to your DoorDash account. To use your Apple gift card, tap the Add Payment Method button and select Gift Card. Enter the gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card or in the email you received when the card was purchased. Once you have added the gift card as a payment method, you can select it as the payment option for your order, if the balance on the gift card is sufficient to cover the cost of the order. You will not be required to enter any additional payment information. However, if the balance on the gift card is not sufficient, you will need to add an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. It is also important to note that you can use multiple gift cards on a single order. So if you have multiple Apple gift cards, you can add them all to your DoorDash account and use them to pay for your order. Additionally, you can use your Apple gift card in combination with other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, to pay for your order. To ensure a smooth checkout process, make sure to check the balance on your Apple gift card before placing your order, and verify that the gift card has not expired. You can check the balance on your Apple gift card by visiting the Apple website or by contacting Apple support. By following these simple steps, you can easily use your Apple gift card to pay for your DoorDash orders and enjoy your favorite foods from the comfort of your own home. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your gift card to ensure you understand any usage restrictions or limitations.